Number 7, we need to get x by itself. We're multiplying by a third. So to get rid of that 1/3, to get rid of when we're multiplying by something, we can multiply by the reciprocal. If ever there's a fraction, I'm always going to multiply by its reciprocal. So since I multiplied the left by 3/1, I'll multiply this side by 3/1. Everything will cancel, or you'll get 3 divided by 3, which is just 1x on the left. Over here, 4 times 3 is 12/1, which is just 12. Okay, I have 2/5 times x. So I'm trying to get x by itself. So I need to undo that multiplying by 2/5. We could divide by 2/5. We could change it to a decimal and divide by 0.4. But why not just multiply by its reciprocal? Two numbers are reciprocals. If when multiplied together, they equal 1. And that's what we're doing here. That way, these will cross out and we'll be left with 1x. Now, since we multiplied this side by 5/2, I have to multiply this side by 5/2. I'll get 20 on top. 4 times 5 is 20. On the bottom, 5 times 2 is 10. And what's 20 divided by 10? 2. All right, I got two fractions equal. This is where we apply what y'all call the butterfly method. It's called the means extremes. So 5 times 2 plus x will equal 3 times x plus 6. So I distribute through, I'll get 10 plus 5x equals 3x plus 3 times 6, 18. Now, simple solving for a variable. Subtract 3x from both sides. 10 plus 2x equals 18. I now will move my number over. 2x is equal to 8. Divide by 2, and we have x is 4. Same thing. Means extremes. 10 times the x minus 1 equals 4 times the x plus 2. Distribute through, I'll get 10x minus 10 equals 4x plus 4 times 2, 8. (6x) take away 10 is equal to 8. Let's add our 10 to move it back over. 6x equals 18 comes out pretty. 3. One more here. Notice here, I have 2/3 times stuff in parentheses. Whenever I have a number outside parentheses, we always want to usually distribute through. There's other options here, but for us, the easiest, best option is to go ahead and distribute through. So I got to do 2/3 times 9x. So let's think. 2/3 times 9x over 1. So that's 18x over 3. 8, that's 6x, isn't it? Yes. Minus 2/3 times 3. 2/3 times 3 over 1. 6 over 3. That's 2. Equals 4x plus 6. Now move the smaller variable over. Subtract 4x from both sides. 2x take away 2 equals 6. Add 2, add 2. 2x is 8. Divide by 2, you have x is 4. There we have 7 through 11.